Do you understand English, but your mouth gets stuck when you try to speak? Today, we will not only learn English, we will train your mouth to say English clearly and confidently. If you only listen, your ears improve. But if you speak with me, your mouth improves too. Read the sentence. Listen carefully, then repeat out loud. Even if your voice is low, speak. Your English will not become fluent only in your mind. It becomes fluent when your mouth practices every day. There was a learner named Maya. She could understand English videos, emails, and messages. But when she had to speak, she stopped. Maya knew many words. She knew grammar rules. But her mouth was not used to speaking English. In office meetings, she had ideas, but she waited too long. By the time she was ready to speak, the topic had already changed. On phone calls, she wanted to sound confident, but she used very short answers because she was afraid of making mistakes. One day, Maya said to herself, "I do not need more fear. I need more practice." She made a small plan. Only 15 minutes every day, not 1 hour. Not a difficult course, just daily mouth training. First, she started with short sentences. Repeat with me. I can speak slowly. I can speak clearly. I do not need perfect English. I need daily practice. My voice will become stronger. I will speak one sentence at a time. Short sentences are easy for your mouth. When your mouth feels comfortable, longer sentences become easier. Many learners try to speak fast too early, but fluency begins with clear, slow speaking. Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? I am currently working on it. I am currently working on it. I am currently working on it. Do not rush. Clear English is better than fast, unclear English. Your mouth needs patterns. When one pattern becomes easy, you can use it in many situations. Could you please share the file with me? Could you please share the update with me? Could you please review this document? Could you please check this when you get a chance? Could you please is a powerful professional phrase. Practice it until it feels natural. Now we will use shadowing. Listen to my sentence, then repeat it immediately after me. I would like to add something here. Just following up on my previous message. Please let me know if you have any questions. I understand your point, but I have a different view. I am not sure, but I can check and get back to you. When you repeat after a clear voice, your mouth learns rhythm, stress, and natural sentence flow. Maya practiced these sentences every morning. At first, she felt strange speaking alone. But after a few days, it felt normal. She did not become fluent in one day, but she stopped freezing. She started answering with full sentences. In one meeting, her manager asked for an update. Maya said, "I am currently working on it, and I will keep you updated." It was a simple sentence, but for Maya, it was a big win. Her mouth finally moved before fear stopped her. Now, let us make your mouth stronger with longer professional sentences. I just wanted to check if the file has been shared. I just wanted to check if the file has been shared. Could you please guide me on the next steps? Could you please guide me on the next steps? This may not be the best option right now. This may not be the best option right now. If a sentence is difficult, break it into small parts, then join the parts slowly. Many learners pause because they want the perfect sentence. But speaking improves when you use useful, simple phrases. Let me think for a moment. That is a good question. I am not sure, but I can check. Could you please give me a little more context? I need a moment to review this. Fluent speakers also pause. The difference is they use natural pause phrases. Confidence does not come before practice. Confidence comes after practice. I can express my ideas clearly. I can speak slowly and still sound professional. I can ask questions when I need clarity. I can improve one sentence at a time. My English is getting better with practice. Do not wait until you feel confident. Speak first. Confidence will follow. Now we will do a short speaking challenge. I will show the sentence. You speak it before I say it. Could you please share an update? Could you please share an update? Just following up on my previous message. Just following up on my previous message. I am currently working on it. I am currently working on it. Could you please clarify this? Could you please clarify this? I will check and get back to you. I will check and get back to you. Maya learned something important. English is not only studied, English is trained. If your mouth gets stuck, do not feel ashamed. It only means your mouth needs more practice. Practice for 15 minutes every day. Read, listen, repeat, and speak out loud. Save this video and practice again tomorrow. Your mouth will become stronger with repetition. Follow English Fix daily for simple English practice, office English, and speaking confidence.